Are you a healthcare or fitness professional? Are you looking to enhance your skills and push the boundaries within your scope of practice? If so, you've come to the right place. NAT Global Campus is your go-to YouTube channel featuring outstanding teaching faculty and top-quality educational content tailored just for you. By becoming a member of our YouTube channel, you'll unlock a world of benefits that will elevate your learning experience. Here's what you can expect. Exclusive access to live sessions with our renowned teaching faculty and industry experts. Members-only tutorials and workshops covering cutting-edge techniques and advancements in healthcare and fitness. Early bird registration for our webinars and events, so you'll never miss out on the latest knowledge and insights. A supportive community of like-minded professionals in our members-only chat, where you can share ideas and collaborate. And of course, custom badges and emojis to show off your commitment to excellence in healthcare and fitness. Click the Join button below this video, then select the membership plan that suits you. And let's embark on this exciting journey together. We can't wait to welcome you to the NAT Global Campus family. We also know that we couldn't do what we do without your support. Thank you.